Hello everyone, welcome my friend, to How to Draw channel, enjoy watching. My name is Anastasia. Today for the magic drawing we will need a glass of water, soda, turmeric, alcohol, a spoon and a brush. For the first part, we mix a small amount of water and 3 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix it well. Then with this magic water we apply our invisible drawing. It can be anything. Write in the comments if you guessed what characters I drew. While our magic water on the sheet dries, we begin to create our second magic liquid. We pour our alcohol into a glass and add about 3 spoonfuls of turmeric to it. And we mix it all well. When our leaf has dried, we can surprise our friends or children with magic. You can draw anything you want, numbers, letters, animals, and let your friends or your children find them. I hope you liked our experiment. If so, write in the comments whether you have managed to draw magic drawings. Also, I will be glad to your like on this video, and share it with your friends. Let them also try to create magic. Thank you for being with me. Bye bye.